The lungs are the organs of respiration. Among healthy adults, the average lung capacity is about 6 liters. The function of the lungs is to oxygenate blood. It is located in the thorax, either side of mediastinum. Our respiratory system is composed of different components: nasal cavity, oral cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, and lungs. Let's discuss the structure of lung. There are two lungs, right lung and left lung. The right lung is slightly larger than the left lung. Right lung is made up of 3 lobes. The left lung is made up of 2 lobes: superior lobe, middle lobe, inferior lobe, superior lobe and inferior lobe. At the superior lobe of left lung, there is a projection called lingula. Boundaries of lobes are divided into fissures. The right lung has 2 fissures: oblique fissure and horizontal fissure. The left lung has only an oblique fissure. Lung is enclosed within the pleural membranes. There are 2 pleura: costal pleura, visceral pleura. There is a cavity between costal and visceral pleura called pleural cavity. Let's see the internal structure of the lung by animation.
Your trachea carries air into the lungs. The trachea divides into airways called bronchi. These branch into smaller and smaller airways, and at the end of these airways are tiny air sacs called alveoli.
For more such animated videos, like and subscribe to my channel.